In this video, we'll talk a little bit about nature and significance of management. So let us start. These are the definitions that I have collected from various NCERT books and other books, and even using the AI also. So let us discuss first what are the different definitions which are common. The first one is given here is getting things done through and with others. So this is a very basic definition which says any job that you have to do with others and also to involve yourself also with them is management. And second one is creating an internal environment of an enterprise where individuals work together in groups can perform efficiently and effectively towards the attainment of group goals. So creating an internal environment, that means the manager is creating the environment in such a way of an enterprise where there are people who are working in small groups. And what is the objective of creation of this internal environment? So that these people can perform efficiently and effectively towards the attainment of their group goals or organizational goals. Then we have third, given by this Henry Fayol. Management is to forecast, plan, organize, command, coordinate, and control. Basically, it's talking about the functions of management. So all these things are involved in the management process. Then next definition is management is doing things right and leadership is doing the right thing. See, let's go to that. Then the last one that I have taken is management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together. So this is as same as this number two. People are there working in the organization. They are working in small groups. And the manager's job is to create the environment in such a way that these people can perform in the best possible way so that the group goal can be achieved. So this is the definition and meaning of the management. Now next thing is nature of management. Here I have taken these points from NCERT books and using AI also. So so first one is management is goal oriented process. So definitely when you do management, you do not do management in a wild. You have a goal. You have a goal to achieve profitability, organizational success, completion of a job, getting a medal or something. So a management is always done with a goal in mind. So without goal, there is no management. Number two is management is all pervasive. Pervasive means universal. So you cannot say that management is done only in a corporate organization or business. Management is done every walks of life as well as all type of organization. So to perform well, to achieve your target efficiently, you have to do management. Then we have number three, that is multi-dimensional. It is also called multidisciplinary also sometime. Here multidimensional means okay, draws knowledge from various fields like economics, psychology, sociology, and statistics. Management is clubbing together information and skills from the different field of study. And management is a complex activity that has three main dimensions. So, first dimension is work management of work. So you have a work to do and you have to manage it in a best possible way to attain the objective. Then number two is management of people. So this is the second dimension of management where people are involved, living, breathing, talking, thinking, people. So work is different and people is are different. So here you have to worry about. Let me go through it what it says. Human resources or people are an organization's greatest asset. Despite all developments in technology, getting work done through people is still a major task for the manager. Managing people has two dimensions. It implies dealing with employees and individuals with diverse needs and behavior, with social media and all the technology. The diversity in the working environment is getting bigger and wider. Now there are more girls, the more young employees, Gen Zs and X whatsoever. So they are getting more and more diverse from different backgrounds. So people are reaching to different places and they're working there. Then it also means dealing with individual as a group of people. This also happens. Then this certain part, a number of people in a group, in a number of employees that you have in an organization, They will try to form a group and identify themselves as a group, like men, women, young, old, northeastern, northern, south Indian, then it's like that, black, white, American, Asian, whatsoever. Okay. Then the third dimension is management of the operation. No matter what the organization, it has some basic products or services to produce in order to survive. So it has to manage the process also. Then number fourth is continuous process. Management cannot be stopped. You cannot say, I have done the management and now I will stop. Management is always going, it is recurring, it keeps on happening. Once one management ends, the same next management start or the same management restarts again. So all the function of management, that is planning, organizing, directing, staffing, and controlling, these are functions. It has to be done continuously, cannot stop. When planning is done, you cannot say now I'll organize. No, you have to keep on planning. Then you have to keep on organizing at the same time. At the same time, you have to keep on directing, staffing, and controlling. Everything has to be done at the same time. Then we have management is a group activity. Of course, management cannot be done alone. So in the case of an organization, there are people. So you have to deal with them. Then management is a dynamic function. So dynamic means which does not stay same. Management is a dynamic function and has to adapt itself to the changing environment. An organization interacts with its external environment, which consists of various social, economic, and political factors. So here also they are saying the same thing. The environment keeps on changing. New and new government comes, new and new technology comes, more and more people come. The world is not same as it was 10 years back, 20 years back, 30 years back. You will not recognize the world how it looked 30 years back, what it looked today. So management has to also keep up, and it has to be dynamic and keep changing and learning from the history. And the last one is number seven, management is an intangible force. Of course, we all say we do management, but we can never see it. It is intangible. But without this, the enterprise will not run. It is very important. It's a force. Then next topic under this is the last one, is objective management. Under objective management, we have three types of objectives. One is organizational objective, then we have social objectives, and then we also have personal human objectives. So under organizational objective, we have survival of the organization. That is, in the long run, you have to survive. Okay, that is the first objective. Apart from surviving, then you must earn some profit also. And once you earn profit, you must try to maximize it. And once you have survived and you are maximizing your profit, after that you also have to see that you are growing. You cannot remain in one place. You must have multiple plans, multiple business. Your business must grow bigger and bigger. Ultimately, it should go international. So this is your organizational objective or economic goals: survival, profit maximization, and growth and expansion. Then we have social objectives, that is towards the society, providing quality products and services. Of course, the people of a country, they deserve quality products. So management has a social responsibility that they provide them proper goods and services which are quality in nature at a best price. Second objective is employment generation. The management has to generate employment. People are expecting that wherever the company or business is working, the people of that area especially expect that employment will be generated for the local youth especially. Then it has environmental responsibility also. Sustainable management practices helps reduce pollution, conserve resources, and promote eco-friendly operation. It is not that since you're earning from a society that you will start throwing everything, dumping all your garbages and waste material there. So you have to make sure that you are having a proper waste disposable system. Sorry, you have a proper waste disposal system, drainage system, and you're not polluting and all. And the last one under social responsibility is CSR, which is very prominent. Companies contribute to social welfare through education, healthcare, and community development initiatives. Yes, a small part of profit of the organization goes towards the community development in the field of research, education, healthcare, making schools, hospitals, road, etc. So CSR is one of the most prominent social objective of a organization or the management. The last one is personal, that is human objective, or basically we say employees welfare. Job satisfaction. Yes, a happy employee is the best employee and he is the most efficient and productive employee also. So you have to make sure that the employee has the satisfaction level. A positive work environment, fair compensation and recognition improves employee motivation and productivity. So ultimately it comes first into the wages, the salary that you pay, and how the environment is, how the work culture is. So happy employee will do better than an unhappy employee. Then number two is employee development. So you also have the objective of developing the employee skill through his through training programs and other career growth. An employee doesn't want to be in the same position forever, and he also wants his salary to be hiked every year at least, or based on his performance. So the management has objective to satisfy the employees' desire to development and gain better career opportunities. Then the last one is work-life balance, which is very important these days. There's a lot of debate going on that how many hours a week people should work. We are social animals. We need people to talk. We need family life. We need our brothers, sisters, friends, parents, and everyone around us. We would like to chill a little bit. So the management objective is that they must try to have maintain a work life balance for the employees. Employees should not be overworked, and they must have their family life and their social life. So these are the three main objectives of management. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.